guess what? I got slime! And you guys are gonna help me open it. Woo! Okay, guys, we're getting it open. Sorry, I wasn't talking. I have this activator pen to help it because it's sticky. Oh my goodness, it's sticky. I'm playing with it now. Okay, it's not that sticky. I found charms. Hi guys, I'm mixing this in. Final result, here it is. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment.